issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Holly, or 16 miles south of Trenton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Medford, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Mount Holly, Presidential Lakes Estates, Lakehurst, Pemberton, Wrightstown, Warren Grove, Leisure Town, Chatsworth, Jacksonville, Georgetown, Presidential Lakes, Holiday City Berkeley, Denver Lake, Cedar Glen Lakes, and Whiting. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 6A. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 39 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. The current time